Yo, what's good with y'all niggas? We back with another video and shit. I understand. First things first, I just want to say, guys, very sorry for not uploading for for a good couple of months. I kind of, I was, to be honest, I was looking at YouTube's rules, and I kind of realized the thing that I wanted for this channel to do was get monetized. But then I realized that that wasn't gonna happen. Then Then I decided to sort of like quit. But now I realized like I started this for the wrong reason. You know what I'm saying? I started this for the wrong reason. I want to. I started. I'm now. My goal for this channel now is just to simply help people now, and regardless if I get monetized or not, it doesn't matter. I just realized that, and when you have when your intentions are wrong, you'll feel it. People will feel it, and I realize now I'm trying to get people. I'm trying to help people now, and want to take this challenge to a different side of the world, right? I know we've been talking about how to do things with girls, social life, and all that. Now I want to be moving into book analysis so you can sort of apply some shit. You know what I'm saying? Because the time that I wasn't doing uploading videos, I've read lots of books. You know what I'm saying? I've read 40 Laws of Power, 33. I'm reading 33 Strategies of War, The Art of Seduction, The Laws of Human Nature, Rational Meal. You know what I'm saying? So like I'm just being I'm probably gonna start a series where like I be dissecting these books, you know what I'm saying, giving tips on how to apply them in your life. Cause what's the point of reading all these books if you can't apply them? You know what I'm saying? So like I'm gonna give you that niggas, but it's very important for you to guys read the books that I be doing by yourself. So when you now listen to what I'm trying to do, trying to give you tips, it's like, oh okay, now I get what you mean now. I get what you mean. Alright, so first book we're gonna be doing is the 48 Laws of Power, and let's get started with law number one. But before we go to law number one, I gotta clear some stuff first, real quick. First things first. When people, I'm very direct. You know what I'm saying? I like to think I'm direct, and with me, I know the way I do things is not very it's not very effective, but it's sort of like the way it makes me feel good. You know what I'm saying? It's easy for me to do this thing. So when I'm direct, people know where they stand. You know what I'm saying? Which is not very good in terms if you're trying to get some shit done. You know what I'm saying? If you're trying to get some power out of people, because in every relationship, it's all about power. Whether it's a mother son, father son, teacher student, manager employee. You know what I'm saying? Power, leverage. It's all about leverage. So here's some things that you're not supposed to do. Right? You should never be right. You shouldn't expose your powerlessness. You being powerless, right? You shouldn't expose it because because I guess it's kind of obvious here. If you expose it, people will take advantage of it, and you know what I'm saying. You get caught. You'll get caught lacking. And then if that because people that because if you see people expose themselves as powerless, you shouldn't believe them because sometimes you know what I'm saying. That can be one of their tactics, and you gotta move through it, right? 'Cause it's all about it. It's all about a game. This is all about power. It's just a game. You all play, and you get what you get, right? You get what you get. Alright. So and also you gotta think long term, right? You gotta learn to think long term and be as emotionally detached as possible. Because power and emotions they don't go together. They don't go together. I mean Hitler, no offense, I don't think, you know what I'm saying, he showed every emotions, you know what I'm saying, killing Jews, you know what I'm saying. I don't think I don't think he showed emotions, bro. You know what I'm saying? Who else? Abraham Lincoln. Of course, yeah, he did. He and there. But like, when it was time for the war, that type of shit, your emotions were out the window. He knew that you shouldn't be showing emotions, right? Now, To get power, it requires you to deceive people, because either you deceive them with a complete lie or deceive them with part of the truth. Pick, right? It's not require you to be wearing multiple masks. It's require you to do some slick indirect moves, right? It's like chess. You don't just in chess. You don't just, like, you know what I'm saying. You move the pawn in front of the queen, right? And then after the other guy plays, you start moving the queen everywhere and start doing your thing. No, hold on, bro. You don't know what the guy's plan is, bro. You gotta, you know what I'm saying. You gotta plan to win, not plan not to lose, right? You know what I'm saying. So right, cool. So with this, you gotta think long term. You got no short term things. You gotta think long term. You gotta be patient. So this shit is like, you know what I'm saying. You gotta be patient. You gotta think long term and all that. You gotta plan everything. I'm gonna make a video about how to plan, because like this is a very topic on its own, and I'm just kind of brushing through before I go to strictly to law one, right? So yeah, let's. I think we can go to law one now. Um, law one says, outshine your master or superior. I mean, guys, we humans, right? We humans. We humans. What happens when your friend outshines you or tries to out, out, out belittle you? You kind of feel it, right? You feel like, what the hell does this nigga think he's doing? You know what I'm saying? Like, like, even if he's your friend, like, bro, like, what are you doing? You stay in your lane. You know what I'm saying? That's exactly how the superiors feel when when there's this, like, for example, let's take it like this. You're the manager of a shop, right? And then you hire someone, and this person is very ambitious. He's young and ambitious. He's a leader, a natural leader. He's running your shop better. Your shop is now running more smoothly when he's there. Like, I mean, most people are, it's good, right? More money for me, right? But then there's some people are like, this guy is he's doing a little bit too much. You know what I'm saying? He's doing a little bit too much. This is why it's important for you to, like, you know what I'm saying? You don't just go to the leader, like, you don't just go to the fucking king when you're 19, say, my lord, I need you to make me fucking the lieutenant of the army. No, nigga, you know what I'm saying? You gotta sort of like play the chess. You know what I'm saying? You gotta play the chess a little bit, because you gotta make sure, like, he's the leader for a reason, whether through corruption or through hard work. We don't care. He's the leader for a reason, and with that thing, most of the time, it gets into people's heads. So you gotta, you know what I'm saying? You just gotta, like, slowly get into his good side. Once you get into his good side, you pretty much own the fucking operation, because 9 times out of 10, people with fancy titles don't usually lead. They don't usually have the most power. Like, for example, uh, kingdom, right? Sometimes most of the time, it ain't the king that has the most power. Half the time, it could be the wife, the child, best friend. You know what I'm saying? That influences them, and the person that influences the king is the one that has the power. Power is very fluid. It's not like a fucking rock. It's fluid. One moment you can be the one with power. Well, the next moment it's the other home. It's your best friend. You know what I'm saying? So you have to never outshine the master. You gotta think ahead. Don't think now. Think later. Well, cause, like, you know what I'm saying. You won't be with the guy. You won't be with your master or superior all the time, because if you do too much of a good job, he'll resent you. When you're not there, he'll resent you. Secretly, he'll resent you. Like, why is this guy thinks he's better than me, right? But then if you just do enough, right? Let's say, like, it's because the law of power and law of success, that two books I read. There are two different philosophies in this because this is in the law of success. So I'll do this later, quickly. There's something called the law of increasing returns when you work more than what you're paid for. You know what I'm saying? That's in terms of you, but then with that in laws of power, that doesn't do shit. That won't do the opposite of what you want. So okay, like it's kind of confusing. So like, I gotta like do what you're do, do what you're told. That's it, right? That's it, right? Do what you're told, and then yeah, make him feel like the master. You know what I'm saying? Let's say it's like you're fucking king, right? The king. Let's say you're a knight, right? A knight. Okay, no, let me bring it down. Let me bring it down to today. Um, Get a job, employee. You just get hired. You know what I'm saying? You know the guy is a he's a bitch. You know what I'm saying? He can't lead the shop for shit. So like you're new. He's teaching you what to do. You do what you're told, and then ideally you wanna act like you don't know shit. Ideally, you wanna act like you don't know anything, right? So like, let's say you were told to like fucking tie some bags or some shit like that. You know what I'm saying? You do your best, right? You don't do your best, but like, do what you're told, right? Do what you're told, and then after that, you just go to him and say, "Hey, excuse me, I need some help with this and this." You know what I'm saying? Make him the helper, make him feel superior because he knows what he's doing, right? Right? Make him feel, and then eventually, if you keep on doing what you keep doing that, don't ask him for help too much because you know what I'm saying becomes fucking become one of those liabilities. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, right. So like, you really have to. It's like a balance. You know what I'm saying? Think of it like like a pet. You don't fucking cuddle with your pet all the time. You know what I'm saying? You don't do that. But what you do is like you can like go one period, then when you come back, it's all the fucking dog is all over the place. It's happy as shit. You know what I'm saying? That's what I mean. You gotta like an on and on type shit. Alright. So yeah, don't master, don't outshine the master. Never outshine the master unless unless you have a chance to become the master himself. Alright, like you're the assistant. Alright, you're the assistant, and then like I said, the guy kind of leave for shit, and then like his job is hanging by a thread, right? Oh, nah, but when you got now, it's all in now. You gotta work hard for that one. You gotta really, really work hard. Like show him like, hey, my man is that this ain't. You know what I'm saying? And the thing is, you shouldn't reveal what you're trying to do. Like, just what you trying to do. Like, let's you're working harder, you staying longer, coming earlier. Opening early. You know what I'm saying? And then he asks, yo, what the hell? What's happening? Just say, hey, I'm just trying to do my job. I'm just trying to do the job to my best of my ability. You know what I'm saying? That's a smokescreen right there. Like, you know what I'm saying? That's is hiding the fact that you want his job, want his position, but you're hiding it. Yeah, you're hiding it behind the fact that you're just trying to do your best job, the job to your best of your ability. You like no one can do shit to that. Like you like what's up? You don't want me to you don't want me to put effort in my job. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, all right, guys. That's law one. See you guys in the next video. We'll continue about these other laws. And yeah, uh, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Read the law, the 40 laws of power by yourself. You know what I'm saying? So when you talking because it's kind of hard. It's hard to describe how to do this shit. It's not one of those things that you have theory on it. It's one of those things that you just do and see what shit sticks. You know what I'm saying? So like yeah, comment down below which other books you want me to review and all that type of sense. Any other type of video items. Um, yeah, that's it. Back at your boy, and I'll see you in the next fucking video. Shit.